Thank you, Neha. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of AIWMI, welcome you all to our inaugural Credit Summit India 2014. I would like to thank National Institute of Securities Markets and all our partners for their support in organizing this event. We are honored to have today Mr. R. Gandhi, Deputy Governor, Reserve Bank of India, as our chief guest. Sir, we're honored to have you here and looking forward to your keynote address this morning. Before we begin, let me start with a brief introduction of AIWM India. Association of International Wealth Management of India was set up in 2012 to enhance professional standards in financial services sector. We plan to achieve this through offering certification programs, events, research, and advocacy-related initiatives. In the last 2 years of our existence, or I should say first 2 years of our existence, we've already had quite a few firsts to our credit. To name a few, we organized the inaugural Wealth Briefings Asia Awards in Singapore last year. These awards were meant to acknowledge the best in the Indian wealth management sector. We organized India's first conference on family offices in 2013, which was followed by a successful second edition this year. We also organized India's first full-fledged conference on alternative investments in 2013. And last but not the least, in addition to offering some premier global certifications in India, AIWMI has designed the Certified Credit Research Analyst Certification. CCRA, as we call it, is being offered in partnership with National Institute of Securities Markets. What gives us immense satisfaction and pride, friends, is that CCRA is the first global financial certification to be designed in India and now which is being offered to the rest of the world. Coming back to today's summit, the idea behind organizing the Credit Summit in India was born out of our discussions with various global credit rating and banking professionals. These discussions which happened during the course of our designing CCRA certification. The idea behind this summit is basically to capture the views of global professionals on how the credit markets are panning out and what are the challenges and opportunities ahead for the credit markets in India. We all know we are at a very exciting phase of market development right now. Indian bond markets have been seeing an increasing liquidity and depth in the last few years, along with a very improving market infrastructure. Having said that, there are still challenges and opportunities ahead. And we would like to have the views of one and all on how the markets can be improved further and what are the steps to be taken by our key stakeholders and key policy makers. To discuss that, we have the summit today, and I thank you all of you to be a part of this. So to end my welcome address, I would like to wish you all a very prolific day with ample learning and networking opportunities. Thank you.